Content scraping and the newbie entrepreneur. I've got a question. Is content scraping or web scraping illegal? And can you get in trouble if you do it? Well, the answer to this question is a little bit vague because web scraping itself isn't illegal. But depending on the sites that you scrape and how that information or data that you gather is used, can be. Plagiarism or copyright laws, for example. For instance, you cannot extract private data that requires a username and password to access. Hi there, my name's Ed Anguish from Digital Wise Buys, where we provide tips, tricks, help and information to newbie entrepreneurs just like yourself to help you start and grow your online business the right way. If this is your first time on the Digital Wise Buys channel, then please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to make sure that you get notifications when we release new videos. Today we're going to talk about content scraping. We'll look at what content scraping is, how you may be introduced to it, and if you stay to the end, I'll tell you how you can start and grow your new business online the right way. The first question is, what is content scraping? Well, it's the process of running a software program that will look at a website and gather or collect data from it. Let me quickly show you. So here in Google we've got content scraping as our search term, and we can see that there was 210 monthly searches for it. That gives us 7 people or 7 searches every day looking for content scraping. Now, as you can see, there are quite a few down here, so we need to pick one and try it. Now, I found one here, and it's called Web Page to PDF. And what this is going to do is going to scrape a website and turn it into a PDF. If I put in here a website of mine, and I go convert, it just downloaded and I've got it here, so let's open it up and see what I've got. Here is the website. This is the website that has just been and scrolled, right? So this is what this has brought. So it's brought the text from the top, it's brought the image, it's brought the buttons, but it's split one in two. It's got these boxes here, but it's got them in different sizes, different shapes on the website. They're all the same height, they're all the same width, but not in the PDF. So it's not done a very good job of bringing it in my opinion. But we'll have a look and we'll see how you may have been introduced to web scraping and how you may be involved. So let's just have a look. The next thing is, why am I talking about content scraping in this video? That's because many of the shiny object products that are being offered to newbie entrepreneurs are being presented as being beginner friendly and for newbies. And they're being promoted on the idea of hacking content from another site and using it as your own to attract visitors. There's a link at the top right hand corner of this screen that will take you to a video that will help you identify shiny objects. Sometimes it's even called legally steal content from another site. As we've just heard, content scraping is about extracting data from a web page. And there are many legitimate reasons for doing this. Compiling a list of store locations for one. Or you could be looking at e-commerce and looking to compare store prices. You could be a gambling type of person looking for data so that you can decide where to put your money on the Grand National. Or you could be keeping check on the movements of your stocks and shares, something as simple as that. Information like this would be put into a spreadsheet for analysis and be used by the collector. Now, content scraping programs were devised really to be used on your own site and not on other people's sites. But now many people scrape other people's sites for information. They want information to use in their own blog posts. They use a software called a web scraper or a content scraper. And you can find these free scrapers by doing a Google search, as we've already seen. There are lots of them. But before doing a scrape, though, you should really check the terms and conditions of the website that you're on. Many sites have a clause that states you cannot use web scraping. It'll say something like, you can use this website provided that you do not use web scraping. Another way you can get into trouble is by breaking the website that you're scraping. By that I mean, some scraping programs request data from the website many times a minute, over and over, and they overload the servers, causing them to crash. And when the owner identifies you as being the instigator of the search, they'll come after you with their lawyers because you've broken their website. However, as a newbie entrepreneur, you are not likely to be looking for that level of data collection. Your searches and your scrapes are more likely to be for something you can use in a blog, or it will be looking for blog type data information. The Shiny Object program that you bought will be looking to hijack information that will attract viewers, usually in the form of newsworthy articles. And there are articles that they can present and then add your affiliate link to them and send them out to your audience. Collection of this kind of information might be perfectly legal, and it's out there in the public domain for anyone to see. But to turn it into an article and add your affiliate links to it will be breaking copyright laws, because remember, someone owns that article because they bought it, and they bought it from the author. And you are trying to make money by using it to attract visitors to your site. You're trying to use somebody else's work to attract visitors to your site. This, as well as at least bordering on being illegal, is immoral. Here's a website that's looking at it's got an article looking at the legality of this problem. So I'll leave a link to it below this website in the description, so you can go and have a look. It's well worth going and have a look, because it goes back to when the first lawsuits were brought, and it explains how thoughts have changed and opinions have changed and laws have changed since then, as we progress up to today. So it's well worth a link. I shall leave a link below in the description. Another thing to be aware of with programs that promote this hijacking style of affiliate marketing is that they're telling you to promote to your social media network. Now, as a new entrepreneur, your social media network isn't going to be strong enough. It's probably full of family and friends, and they're not going to buy anyway. So concentrate on building your list. Now, I did say at the beginning that I would tell you how you can start and grow a new online business the right way. What you need to do is click the first link below this video, and it'll take you to my website, where you can learn all about affiliate marketing the right way. It's a training course. It is totally free, and you can start today. Just follow that, sign up and check it out, and you can start today. Having said that, I hope that you found this video beneficial and that you can take something out of it, because it is an important thing, and a lot of shiny object vendors promote this type of affiliate marketing, and it can get you into serious trouble. So please beware. Don't follow this sort of marketing. It's not right. Work on doing it the right way. Build a list of followers and build with your own created content, and that way you've got a sound foundation that your followers will respect. They'll only come, they'll see the same content that you've just stolen on the right site, and then because they're looking for that sort of thing, and then you've just been rumbled as being a fraud. Just one last thing, if you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, and if this is your first time on the Digital Wise Buys channel, then please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to get notifications when we release new videos. Also, don't forget the first link below this video. Check out the free training. It's absolutely fantastic. It's the only training I recommend. So, having said that, I wish you all the best. I'm going to go, and I'll see you on the next time. Have a great day. Bye.